Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're tackling a product that could become your go-to solution for fragile, brittle nails. If you're someone who struggles with weak nails that chip, peel, or crack easily, then keep watching. We're reviewing the Olive & June Nail Strengthener, a plant-powered treatment that promises to make your nails stronger and healthier with continued use. Let's dive into the product, and I'll share my personal experience using it. Olive & June's Nail Strengthener is designed to help you build up resilience in your nails, making them less prone to splitting and peeling over time. The product claims to boost nail strength by up to 77%, based on consumer wear studies. This is big for those of us with weak nails who are constantly dealing with frustrating breakages. The formula is powered by celery seed extract, which conditions the nail surface, prevents peeling, and even works to reduce those unsightly white spots and smooth out ridges. Plus, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and made to fit seamlessly into your regular manicure routine. So it's not just about strength, but also giving your nails some TLC with plant-powered ingredients. Now, I've been using this for a couple of weeks, applying it weekly as part of my nail care routine. What I noticed first was how easily it applied. No mess, no fuss, and it dried quickly. I initially used it in place of my usual nail primer before applying polish. The consistency is thin but smooth, and it leaves a nice clear layer on your nails that doesn't feel sticky or heavy. I also decided to try using it daily on my nails without any polish for a more intensive treatment. Within the first few days, I noticed a difference in the texture of my nails. They felt more sturdy, and the peeling started to slow down. By the end of the week, my nails looked healthier overall, with fewer ridges and noticeably less breakage. I didn't see the dramatic 77% improvement they mention, but I certainly saw a more than significant increase in my nails' resilience. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the formula is definitely effective in conditioning and strengthening the nails. The celery seed extract seems to work wonders on reducing peeling and improving nail appearance over time. Plus, I appreciate that it's vegan and cruelty-free. Olive & June has nailed it on the ethical front. The product is easy to use, fits into my routine seamlessly, and doesn't have a strong smell or any weird residue. On the downside, while I did see improvements in strength, the claim of a 77% increase in strength might be a bit ambitious for those of us dealing with particularly weak nails. While my nails improved, it wasn't an overnight miracle. Also, while it worked great under regular polish, I didn't find that it did much for me under gel polish. As for value for money, Olive & June's Nail Strengthener is priced fairly, considering its quality and the benefits it offers. If you're someone who's dealt with consistently weak nails, this could be a solid investment to make. It's not necessarily a miracle cure for everyone, but it's certainly a step up from many over-the-counter treatments that don't offer any noticeable improvement. Now, there are alternatives out there that might be worth considering if you're on a tighter budget or want to try something else. Brands like OPI and Sally Hansen offer similar nail treatments that also promise strengthening and protection, but Olive & June's focus on plant-based ingredients and their cruelty-free commitment might be enough to sway those who care about those aspects. In terms of build quality, the bottle is solid and sleek, and the product dispenses well without causing any mess. Since it's meant for regular use, the bottle size is decent enough to last through weeks of treatment without needing constant repurchase, which is always a good sign for value. Customer service with Olive & June has been great, responsive, helpful, and friendly, should you need assistance with any product inquiries. Their reputation for excellent customer service is definitely a bonus if you're a first-time buyer. When it comes to product alternatives, you might find some options that are a bit cheaper. But again, Olive & June stands out in terms of quality ingredients and ethical production. If you're committed to a cruelty-free vegan routine, this product is definitely worth considering. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a product to tackle weak, brittle nails, Olive & June's Nail Strengthener is a solid choice. It won't give you instant results, but with consistent use, it will definitely improve the strength and appearance of your nails over time. It's perfect for those who are serious about protecting and strengthening their nails as part of their overall nail care routine. If this review helped, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried the Olive and June Nail Strengthener, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.